So guys, I so missed you. I hope you too. So I come back with a very cool training for you for new educational tips about stretching, and so let's go. Okay, today I will tell you about squat position. It's very cool position, also exercise and so on. So today I want to show you which exercise we need to do for this position. Also for this position we need not only a good stretch about your hips, only knees, because closed position is not correct, it's wrong. Also this, also don't bend our back, also back must be straight. Also I will show you this exercise, and please practice with this if you want to have this nice position. So also we have mirror for looking you you can see also my straight back. So for this element we also need warming up. So okay, please sit down with a well position. Also you can stay by your hands. If you have strong back, you also can hold your back and stay by back. If you're tired and you can't stay on your back, also with your hands, you can just stay on hands, but open your breast, also open your shoulders. The shoulders must be in back position. Also, what we need to do, we need gently put our knees to the floor. In this exercise, you need to stretch by this side, also this side, and also you must see how stretch your knee also. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. Don't be rushed with this exercise. It's just warming up. Warming up must be a little bit in slow tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. So stay in this position and feel the straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. And also another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so cool. After that, we go to this position, the right position, and we will do pushes, but not for hands, for your hips also. So you can see my straight back. I put my hands to the floor. I inhale, and exhale, go down. Yes, don't bend your back. Also straight back. In this exercise, I so feel how straight my muscles by this part of my body. So let's go. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also 8. So stay in this position you also can straighten your hands, but if you beginner and it's too so hard to tolerate, you can also stay by your elbows. Also, if it's also hard for you, don't worry, bring yoga blocks or books or something else what help you do this position a little bit higher, yes? So, inhale and exhale and feel your stretch and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so super. Don't rush, do gently, and also let's change your sides. Okay, put your hands, straight your back, and let's go. Inhale and exhale. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also 8. Okay. Inhale, exhale, and go down. And also inhale. Wiggle and repeat at the middle level. You can go lower. Yes. If you're beginner, don't worry, you can stay by your elbows. Also, you can put anything, for example, book or yoga block. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. So go up, and also we can do position butterfly, because position butterfly is also very good exercise, easy exercise for squat position. Also we can do a little bit well. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also with straight back, please. 5, 6, 7, and also 8. And stay in this position and feel how your muscles are keep straight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, also inhale and exhale. Okay, super. So it was warming up. I think it's so easy for you. Don't forget about warming up, please. And also, let's go do more cardio exercise for squat position. Maybe it will be for you very strange, but no. We go to the table position. Also, please follow that your shoulders must be under your hands, but straight line. Don't this, don't this. Also, natural position of your hands. Okay. And what we will do? We up our leg and down. Yes, in this exercise, we also can feel our muscles in this side and this side. So let's go. For our glutes, this is exercise so perfect. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And please stay in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, Paradise time for you a little rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Also, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So fix this position and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also inhale and exhale and go to the belly pose. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so gently get up. Oh, it's so sleepy. Okay, yesterday I have some very gentle move. This training, no, don't rush, yes. Okay, so please go to this position, go down. So, very important note for you that if you don't touch to over your hands, you also can make legs wild, yes. And also you can put by your hands yoga blocks or, for example, boots. And what we do, so we inhale and exhale, go down with straight back, not this, only this. Yes, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, stay in this position. Also, you can put your elbows near your knee and gently press. Yes, we also can do this. So stay in this position. How long, how it possible for you? If you can stay by 1 minute, super. 10 seconds, also super. 1 hour, super. Also, if you can stay in this position, you also have medium basis position. Yes. Tell your phone with this position. Chat with someone in this position. Also, work, study if you have online study. Maybe you have some needs. Yes, on the work. By online, you also can stay in this position. I think it's so cool. And also your hips feel stretch and flexibility. And also who has sitting work, this position also for you. Yes, because you have ache in your elbows, ache in your back. But if you will sit in this position and work in this position, you can forget about heartache. If you don't believe me, please check and also give me your feedback about this. Do you like this or not? And what we do? We press knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And stay how you can. So I love this position, you know, and I also make video for you by this position. Yes, I will send this video on YouTube in this position, and it's also good for me and for my health. Yes, and also for good mood. So guys, let me know about this video. Do you like this or not? Maybe we have some thinking about this. I read everything very interesting about it, and also see you soon. Also in this position. Okay, have a nice day.